Here's a certified 2019 Cadillac Escalade. It stays true to its Cadillac soul, offering sophistication throughout while being everything you need an SUV to be. It's well equipped with the features you need: Ecotec 3 engine, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, streaming video feed rear-view mirror, Bluetooth streaming audio, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, dual zone climate control, auto tilt-away steering column, and automatic parking assist. The Car Connection comments, while offering the acceleration and responsiveness of a smaller luxury vehicle, the Escalade offers one of the most comfortable, lavishly appointed interiors available in any SUV. Cadillac, second to none. Experience it for yourself today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.